Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, I'm going to show you on how to resolve the Microsoft Store with the error code 0x80072EFD that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So the main reasons for the Microsoft Store error is the connections issue. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to reset the Windows Store cache. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And then pop up itong run. So dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-enter yung command keyword na WS reset .exe. So just type the command keyword ws reset.exe, that is one word, and then itap mo lang dito yung OK. And so this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. Kaya ginagawa natin yung command keyword na WS reset para mag-back to default yung ating Microsoft Store para ma-fix yung problem. Alright, so since na-open na siya, in hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error is still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to run the Windows Store app troubleshooter. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung Windows Store app. Okay, so i-type mo lang dito yung Windows Store app, and then makikita mo kaagad dito yung Windows Store apps, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa Windows Store app settings, so troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. Ang next step ay makikita mo dito yung advanced, so i-click mo lang yan. And then, dapat naka-apply repairs automatically. So, should be naka-check itong box. And then, ang susunod ay tap mo lang dito yung next. And wait natin na ma-detect yung problems. Okay. So, once na-detect na siya, so kailangan mo lang i-follow dito. So, enable user account control UAC. So, kailangan mo lang i-tap to and then i-follow yung step-by-step procedure dito. Alright, so after dito sa Windows Store app, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to turn off the proxy server. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And dito lang sa run, and that dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-enter yung command keyword na inet cpl.cpl. Alright, so just type the command keyword .inet cpl.cpl, that is one word, and then itap mo lang dito yung OK. And pop up itong internet properties. So dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung connections tab. So i-click mo lang yan. And next step, so dito lang sa baba makikita mo dito yung local area network or the LAN settings. So itap mo lang or i-click mo lang dito yung LAN settings. And dito sa kanyang local area network LAN settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-check dito yung automatically detect settings. And then dito sa kanyang proxy server dapat naka-uncheck yan. So once naka-check yan, so dapat mo yung i-uncheck at dapat naka-select dito yung automatically detect settings, and then i-click mo lang dito yung OK, and then click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, so and the next solution na pwede natin gawin, so all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na tong administrator command prompt, and then kailangan natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig //DNS. So just type the command keyword ipconfig //DNS, that is one word, and press mo lang yung enter. And successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay just type the command keyword na NATSH space WANSAC space reset. So just type the command keyword NATSH space WANSAC space reset and press mo lang yung enter. And successfully reset the WANSAC catalog. And the next step ay kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so close lang natin tong CMD at dito lang sa start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Just tap this restart. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Microsoft Store with the error code 0x80072EFD on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.